Red Crimson 102, Darksiders Genesis, unboxing for Nintendo Switch. Cool game. Loved it on the consoles. It's a different take on the genre itself. It's more of a top-down isometric view. I even like it on the Switch. I think it's a good game. I like it on the Series X. And you know me, I'm a fan of the game overall. Darksiders Genesis, unboxing for the Nintendo Switch. Let me know what you guys think about the game. Do you like it? Think they should stick to the behind the shoulders camera like they had with the previous installments? Drop a like if you like the video. Dislike the video if you dislike the video. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so. Have a good one. Red Crimson 102 out.